So we thought this was a good place to stop and have a coffee and enjoy the view for a moment, and then all of a sudden we're surrounded. We literally can't move. There's 2 coaches blocking us in and about 500 Japanese tourists.
I knew our fans would catch up with us sooner or later. We've now hit the Japanese market. They're queuing up outside for autographs. I couldn't believe it. They've seen the van, they've seen the logo, and then they just swarm round us.
Oh my god, there's another coach just arrived.
It's crazy because you drive across Switzerland and, you know, in the cities there's lots of people obviously, but generally throughout the country it's quite sparsely populated and you don't see that many people, and then you park up a little viewpoint and suddenly boom! Good job Sarah had a strip wash last night and not this morning. That could have been awkward.
Okay, so we are in the city of Lucerne.
Yep, the rain finally stopped. It's been raining all morning, and just as we arrive at the city, the sun comes out.
Yes, and as we were driving through, en route to the old town, we spotted a kind of car show, it looks like, some pretty cool cars and some sort of old schooly type buses.
Retro buses,
yeah. So we thought, oh, we'll go and have a quick look. So we've just parked the van there, running down to check it out. Hopefully we can go in for free.
Next level.
No, this isn't the car show yet. This is just the side of the road.
It's hard to tell in Switzerland if it is car show or these are just regular people's cars. You know, you've got Jaguars and Porsches and all sorts just parked up to go and see the car show.
Wow, look at that.
Look at it inside as well, it's so cool.
I know that's not a classic, but that is one badass station wagon. We could travel around in that. Check out those rims.
One of these would make the ultimate home on wheels, wouldn't it?
These are so cool. Look at this one. That's like out of Thunderbird.
This one is from 1938.
It keeps on going. These are amazing, and they're all in mint condition. The chrome, the alloys, paint jobs, everything, so well kept. If we're going to get a new van, it would be one of these.
Yeah, right. So this one is the ultimate, isn't it? The ultimate home on wheels with those windows for stargazing all the way along, like sunroof windows. It's pretty much a convertible, which is so cool, so retro.
This is ridiculous. That's the benefit of coming to a city on the weekend, that they have things like this on.
Look, Excited
Just
yet?
spend hours here. So many ridiculous buses. This one from 1947 looks like a proper gangster bus or something. Look at the dash, look at the dash.
Looks similar to Vinny. So this one is from 1928. The one next to it there is from 1921. That must be the oldest one here.
Little wooden wheels are awesome. How much is that one, darling?
This Bentley can be yours for
288.
288,500 francs, which is about 250,000 euros. Not too bad. Just getting better and better, aren't they, these cars? So this is the car that we're going to get and tow on the back of Vinny. You could just pick it up.
How cute is that?
Plenty of room for the two doggies in the back there.
I'm loving these station wagons. This has got more space than Vinny inside. You can have a bed and you've got some space left over. That's just blowing me away, as if the scenery in Switzerland is not enough. We get to this little town, unexpectedly find this car show, bus show of retro classic vehicles, and it's just absolutely awesome.
That's made his day, that has, looking at all those old cars.
Totally blown
It's
away.
pretty good.
Speechless. So many that
I think the fact that it had the old buses
Yeah,
and
yeah.
trucks rather than just the cars, really, yeah, that was really good, wasn't it? We're in the old town now of Lucerne, and this bridge is really quite unique, isn't it? A bit higgledy-piggledy, as we say. But what's the name of the bridge?
Actually, it's not that unique, because there's two bridges, two covered over bridges, one this end and one that end.
But look at the force of this water that just runs through the old town. You wouldn't want to fall in there. It's crazy.
Quite cool, the old part of Lucerne. There is very, very colourful, pastel coloured houses, very upmarket, but medieval type.
Yeah,
It's quite cool.
it's really pretty. This is quite cool, isn't it, this bridge? Yes, so as you can see, it started raining quite heavy, and luckily the main feature really of the old town is this bridge, the Chapel Bridge, which is all undercover. So we made a run for it, and we're here now with one rain jacket.
With just a few other people.
Yes, just
Only
a few
couple
other
of
people. I
other
think
people.
everyone else had the same idea as of us to come and see the bridge when it started raining. So yes, but a very nice city. Unfortunately, I think we might have to cut our time here short because of this rain, because it's really quite cold as well. Like, the weather changes so quick here, doesn't it? Must be all the mountains or something, I don't know. But so we'll continue on through, and hopefully the rain will stop so we can show you a little bit more.
Yeah, the name of the other bridge, we can't tell you, because we've got no internet, have we? As in Switzerland, it's the only country in Europe that you can't get internet. There's no roaming, so
Well, we can't use our contracts here, is what it means. Obviously, they have internet here in Switzerland.
Look how pretty that is.
I know, it's beautiful, isn't it?
That.
Another highly recommended place to visit when it's not raining.
So we're going to leave the safety of the bridge now and brave the cold wet weather, so we won't be able to vlog anymore, but hopefully we'll be able to get enough footage to make a nice little montage. It's getting chilly, so let's head off.
Yeah, so we had to abort mission in the city because the rain just got too much. Nick was starting to get really wet. So now we are driving into Germany.
Yeah, we're heading to the Rhine Falls, which is about 2 hours drive away. I think we'll probably actually be able to stay in Switzerland now because the mountains have gone, they've disappeared. We've just left the mountains after we left the Lucerne. So this is getting flat and I don't think so many tourists come here, so we can probably stay here.
Yeah.
But we may go to Germany.
Yeah, we can probably stay in Switzerland for the night, but we could really do with getting into Germany and getting back online because we've had no internet since we've been in Switzerland. And
then we'll dip back in tomorrow if we do that to see these Rhine Falls.
Yes, but it's been a nice couple of days in Switzerland. I mean, it was literally just us driving through. This was kind of like a route to take on our way north. And so we're kind of glad that we have seen what we've seen, even though we know that we haven't seen the best of Switzerland. We're going to be saving that for another time. But lovely drive, lovely little city until it started raining. And yeah, so we're fairly happy with what we've seen. We feel like we've had a little bit more Swiss.
We've had a proper
time.
taste of Switzerland this time, I think.
Yeah. So
but we will be back again.
We will be back again. So now, onwards to Germany.
Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and hit that like button below.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do, and keep the comments coming because we absolutely love to hear from you.
And we'll see you in the next video.